everybody, this is Andrew from andrewinica.com showing you how to use Boxee, how to control Boxee using only your Android phone. So all you're going to do is download an app from the Android market. It's going to be called Boxee Remote or Boxee Wi-Fi, I forget the name. I'll put it in a little comment. And basically, once you get that, you start Boxee on your PC, or in this case, a laptop. And once I'm there, I'm gonna load the app on my phone. And you should usually see this remote. If you don't see a remote, you're gonna press menu, and then you're gonna click the scan button, and make sure auto scan is enabled in the settings. As long as you're connected on the same Wi-Fi network, you'll see your phone, your network come up. You just select it, and you should be good to go. And now you see when I move the trackball, Boxee moves as well, so it follows all my moves. So let's say I want to watch a TV show. Actually, let's listen to some music first. Remember, I'm doing all this from my phone. I'm not touching the keyboard. This is a local artist in Miami called Ghostwriter. And you see it on the bottom as I move the trackball. I can change the settings on the phone. Switch to the next song. I can stop it. I can browse through. When I press the little button at the bottom right here, it brings me back to the menu where I last was. And then I press the button again, and it's going to bring me to my options. So let's say I want to watch TV. Now I can switch. And I wonder if it'll let me type on the phone. Oh, yes it does. Let's see. What TV? Wire. As I type W on my keyboard, it comes up on the phone. So let's see, wire, enter. And now I've got Wired Science, Live Wire. Doesn't have the TV show, so I'm going to switch to My TV Shows. And there you see, I have the TV show The Wire, Season 4. It's a local file, so I'm going to play it. And I can browse through Season 5, Season 4, all the seasons right here that I have stored on the phone, on the computer. So let's go back to the main menu. You can also control apps. So let's watch YouTube. What should we watch? Avatar. Once again, you can do anything you can do in Boxee with this app because the trackball works as a little as a mouse for you. So a quick swipe down ends it. There's a lot of Tiger Woods news, man. Who gives a crap? Alright, I'm gonna browse through my gallery now. Photos. Okay, here's some photos of me and family members. Oh, my battery's dying. Who cares? Alright, I'm gonna... Damn. Man, this is me at 14. No, wait, I'm 13 in this photo. I used to be so sexy. What happened, man? Damn. This is the part where I'm gonna play The Way We Were. Alright, not playing around. So like I said, it's Boxee. Anything you can do with Boxee, you can do with this app because you can control it. It's very useful if you've got Boxee connected to a TV, or if you want to play apps like Pandora or YouTube through here. It's very easy to have. You can store movies, music, apps. You can also use it as a file browser. So get it from the Android market. It's a great place. So what should I listen to as you guys fade out? Any recommendations? How about some Colin Monroe? Oh wait. Once again, come to androinica.com. Android news, tips, reviews, and more great music like this.
I'll be in the place that I